Welcome to the Waterlust Sailing Canoe building series. Do you need something? Let's build it! I already read the instructions very carefully, multiple times. I got all of the parts CNC cut and drilled, so it shouldn't be too much of work to get these assembled. And I already laid out all of the planks, and I'm just quickly going to glue them together to get started. In my next step, I'm going to assemble the Dagger board casing, that's what it's called. So I'm just quickly going to take all of the parts I need for this, lay them on my workbench and then assemble it, making sure everything is square and nice. Just quickly sanding and sawing away the excess of the CNC milling. So using sandpaper, files and this little veneer saw, which is very useful to saw away these little excesses because it has this flat side, so you can just pull 2-3 times on it and everything's gone. It's really handy. So, progress update. I glued all of the panels and the strips. I used little spacers to help me to straighten all of this out so everything's straight and not curved. I used this alongside all of the stringers. Worked pretty well, and I used some tiny nails just to hold them in place. Should be nice. So now I'm going to assemble the Dagger board casing. Just a quick dry fit. Make sure everything's nice and straight, so it should be good. Progress update. I did laminate fiberglass to the Dagger board trunk. I already coated these parts of the Dagger board as well, so these are ready to glue. I glued these parts of the mirrage drive trunk, filled these holes with epoxy. They are still curing, so when this is cured I'm actually ready to assemble the Dagger board frame, so the entire part. That's nice, and the panels are all ready. They are dried, so I have like large panels and not the little pieces anymore. I already sanded this one a little bit flush. I think this should be good enough. It's gonna get 2 or 3 coats more of epoxy later, so that's not a big deal. I'm going to move this entire thing back there into my little space, and then I'm ready to join the first parts together. Progress update. I installed all of the frames and the first panels as you saw before. I'm going to install the second panel as well now, and I'm going to glue the mast steps. So I have all the parts glued together I will need in the upcoming days, but so far so good. I hope I'll get finished with this evening so I can continue tomorrow. I'm done for today. I didn't have enough time to finish the second panels, so I'm going to do that tomorrow morning. Little end of the day progress update. We fiberglassed the Dagger board case. We glued the mirrage drive trunk. We filled the holes. We already epoxy coated these pieces to assemble. We coated the mast steps, all of them. We stitched the first panels to the bottom of the boat. We joined all of these together beforehand. We attached the frames to the boat. We glued all of the hardwood together into long strips, and we already glued the shear clamps onto panel 4, and we glued together the deck stiffener. So tomorrow I should be able to make good progress and to finish the panels if everything goes smooth. Yep, see you tomorrow. Good morning everybody. I just removed the clamps from panel 4. So now I'll take panel 2, 3 and 4 and stitch them to the boat, and hopefully we'll get done within like 2 hours or something like this. Should be a little bit of work, but should look nice afterwards. Boah, guys, I'm done with the first panel 2, and the second panel 2 is like 3/4 done, and it took me over an hour, so 2 hours for everything. This is more work than I thought. The first boat I built was done with cable ties, and that worked much faster and better than these little copper wires, but yeah, it is like it is. So I'm going to do panel after panel, not everything at once. Yeah, see you after I ate something. Lunch was good, I dressed up, I have my old clothes on, so I'm ready to glue the mast steps and the dagger board casing, finally. I'm done for today. I glued everything for the dagger board casing, and I installed the rail 3, panel 3 completely, and panel 4 like halfway, but it already looks nice. Yeah, that's it for this weekend. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, ask them below, and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos. See you!